Daddy has gotten ready for the day. I must watch him carefully to make sure he does not leave my sight. I must now block the doorway so Daddy cannot leave the house. I am the guardian to the garage realm. Oh, I love you, buddy. You're so cute. Hi, bud. Love you. I am really hoping that this landmine that I drove over is it's repairable. That's a massive blowout. Before I do anything today, I'm going to take this to the tire shop and see. The only thing that concerns me is I had to ride it out for a little while to get off the highway. I took a lot of the rubber off the side, so I'm kind of scared. I don't want to like have like a sidewall blowout or something. That would be 11 times worse. As much as I just love this new wheel setup, it's gonna have to change. We need to get that fixed. I'm gonna be so upset if this tire is done. This is a brand new PS4S with probably 300-400 miles on it. Please don't be just done for. First and foremost, I am really sorry about today. I have to wear this tank top. It is almost the end of July and your boy still looks like a vampire. I am doing anything I can at this point to get these shoulders sun-kissed a little bit. Oh, I'm ugly. Homie over here is leaning gangster in his TC. Throwback days, he wouldn't pull up to me. Let's leave him in the dust and show him what he can look forward to someday when he gets rid of that TC. Oh, that was such a sick wing on that stock Civic. Oh, I'm so mad I missed it. Bye. Oh, I ran over a landmine, and I'm just really hoping that this massive hole can be patched. Just take it off and take it down. Yeah, sure thing.
Seconds later.
Got it fixed, baby. Let's go! I was gonna be so pissed if my brand new Michelin Pilot Sport 4S was Dunsky. Great start to the day. Let's go into sport mode and have some fun. Gap him! Oh, I've already caught up to this guy in front of me. I'm gonna miss these donuts, dude. This thing's so freaking tight. Sickest wheel setup I've ever had. Oh my God. Hopefully I will never have to see this or especially use it ever again. Put it into a sacred abyss. It's back to closing. Alright. Tuck it away forever. Damn, I love these taillights. On to the point of this video, I have got something really, really cool to show you guys and to install on actually both the Evo and the SC300 today. I've worked with DND Performance since they were a fairly small company. As they've progressed, they have come up with some really, really cool products. Today, I've got something extremely special and really, really unique to do on the Evo. This is my big ass box, and I got a lot of... Damn, why does my garage get so dirty? Like, we just cleaned it, bro. Yeah, I got something else in here that's gonna have to be installed, like, tomorrow. Yeah, for the Evo, bro. Before I show you the other one, I did get a deep dish wheel for the Lexus. So this one, I've had... Oh, it's deep over there. This is an OG DND wheel. I've had this wheel for a long time, and unfortunately, because it's been outside, some of the leather has started to get ruined. It's gotten a little hot. This wheel has done me so good, been to so many drift events, so I'm definitely gonna have to keep this wheel and put it on the wall or something. I'm gonna be replacing this wheel with this wheel, especially since we changed the color combo a little bit. I think purple's gonna be pretty fun. Now that we got that out of the way, let me show you guys something so sick. Y'all ready for this? So it's wrapped in all its glory. It is wrapped up. This is the lightest steering wheel I've ever felt in my life. Oh my gosh, dude. This is gonna be mad. Oh man, this is gonna give me so many scene points. Show up to the meet flexing, bro. I'm about to show up flexing, bro. I don't have as many muscles as I used to. But it don't matter now, because I'm gonna be flexing. That's cool. This is my new carbon fiber steering wheel for the Evo 10. Moving on to other stuff. I haven't done an unboxing video in so long. Got some stickers. Gonna go straight to the Hella fridge. Here's all the hardware. This is their quick release. It's like a nice dark graphite sort of color. And then for the Lexus, we have got a purple quick release for the Lexus. That's so money. I've already got a quick release on this one. I've already got a quick release on that one. But I love the look of this one. It's so nice. So I'm gonna do this. And that's it, actually. Some of you may be wondering why I'm deciding to change wheels. I really like this Momo wheel. This wheel's super nice, but it's really small. I bought this wheel for a Miata, which is basically a golf cart, and it's too small. It's even for this car, it's just really small. So I'm gonna put this back in its trophy case and put it back in the office where it belongs. This is not how it's gonna look, but we're gonna make this nice carbon fiber wheel. Bro, we out here doing it to him, bro, and this is so sick, bro. It's really hot, but it looks awesome. It's nice to have a full-size wheel in here. I really want to show you more of the wheel, but it's such weird lighting right now. I'm gonna have to wait until I can go out and drive and get this car into the light. For now, go ahead and get the deep dish installed on the Lexus. Oh baby, hold up, look what we just got. What? We finally have key tags for sale today on 5-3 Supply?
Yeah.
So these were made before we changed the color of the Evo. This is supposed to be a tribute to the Evo and the Lexus, the pink and yellow. But it's just a nice little key tag. And it's got a bottle opener on it, which is so tight. It's got its own little carabiner as well. So
got
these
tape
are
on it.
really, really high quality. These are so awesome. I'm so excited.
I like this a lot. It feels so good too.
They're on the site now. Go to 53supply.com. Get them while they last. Choo choo, coming through. Beep, beep, beep. That's backing up.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, I just want to see what this wheel is going to look like on this car. I'm really excited. This is a really cool deep dish wheel. I actually loved the brushed aluminum metal looking look, and it's still a really light wheel. I'm so excited, boys. If you guys don't know, I absolutely love suede. So both of mine are suede. The carbon fiber one is as well. The suede is just, it's such a nice feel in your hands, and I just not a huge fan of leather steering wheels, to be honest. All right, here it is. I'm excited, dude. I'm a little nervous because I don't know how far the deep dish is gonna stick out, because I kind of liked where the steering wheel was that last event, but we can always try and fix it. I dig it. I dig it. I actually kind of dig the color combo. I forgot that I had the red hydro, so I might even keep the red in here, honestly. It looks super sick. I like that the suede on the wheel actually matches the flock on the dash. Makes it look a little bit cleaner for sure. Enough having you guys wait. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this car out, and you can see it. There you go. There's a couple angles of it. It looks really sweet. Let me actually get it out in the light. Let me show you guys. There you go. That's from pretty harsh light, but that shows the carbon fiber real good. This is exciting. It's really cool. It's really nice to have a full-size wheel in the car again too, dude. We're gonna go ahead and take some pictures of this nice lanyard. I said, I didn't say lanyard earlier. I think I said key tag, but yeah. Lanyards are out now. Thanks D&D for this. I got some more goodies. for the Evo to also be installed tomorrow and the next day and the next day and the next day. We've got so much to do. I was gonna go to a meet tonight, but the car's just not ready. I just don't want to be known as a freaking guy with pins in his car. I finally have the hardware for this, but I wanted to get this stuff done first because I just wanted to. It was on my mind. I have such a jumble, like it's so much stuff to do. So I'm going to get in the shade first off. Second off, I'm gonna finish the body kit here very soon. Thanks to my friends over at Dress Up Bolts, I've got some hardware for it. So pins are gonna go bye-bye early this week. As soon as I do the other mod, I don't know. The thing about me is I'm just gonna do whatever I feel like doing, and that's what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna try not to get too out of whack with the videos, but got a few things in. Actually, I have a lot of stuff to install, and I'm stoked about it because this car is finally getting exactly where I want it to be. And the quick release as well, it's on there. It's nice. It's so nice. Big thanks to DND Performance Interior. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace out. Or actually, not tomorrow. This is Friday's video. Peace out, boys. Be victorious Monday.